Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to collaborate with your team in Wrike step by step. If teamwork feels messy or a communication gets lost, yeah, this setup will make things much smoother. Alright, first make sure your team members are added to Wrike. Go to settings and invite them using their email. Once they accept, you can start collaborating right away. Next, share projects or folders with your team. This gives them access to the right work without exposing everything. So people only see what they need. When collaborating, always assign tasks to the right person. Click a task, choose an assignee, and set a due date. Clear ownership avoids confusion. Instead of using email or chat apps, use comments inside tasks. You can ask questions, leave updates, and keep everything tied to the work itself. To get someone's attention, mention them using the @ symbol and their name. They'll get notified instantly, which really speeds things up. You can attach files directly to tasks and leave feedback in comments. So designs, documents, and updates all stay in one place. Use the activity stream to see updates from your team. Status changes, comments, and completed tasks all show up here. And that's how to collaborate with your team in Wrike step by step. When everything lives in one place, teamwork becomes faster and way less stressful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.